Punctuation marks Lesson 1. In this lesson series, we'll explore English punctuation, the small marks that make a big difference. Using punctuation correctly is essential for clear, confident writing. Mistakes can confuse your reader or leave a poor impression. Let's begin with the fundamentals. The first we have is the full stop, or period. A full stop, called a period in American English, marks the end of a complete thought. It has some rules. 1. Place a full stop at the end of a full sentence. 2. Never put a space before it, always one space after. Examples: I got there early. Although my train arrived late, and I was sure I wouldn't make it on time, I actually got there slightly early. Each of these is a complete sentence because the grammar is finished. Now look at this incorrect example. Winters are often very cold there. Temperatures can reach -40 degrees. Here the comma joins two complete sentences incorrectly. That's a comma splice. To fix it, use a full stop, a semicolon, or add a conjunction such as and or because. Full stops are also used in abbreviations. There are 3 types. 1. Abbreviations without full stops like we have in BBC, CIAUN. 2. Abbreviations with full stops such as e.g., IE, etc. 3. Abbreviations that can be written either way like we have in Mr., Dr., AM, and PM. In British English, a M and PM are usually lowercase with full stops. In American English, AM and PM are uppercase without full stops. Both are correct. Choose one style and stay consistent. The second basic punctuation mark we have is the comma. Commas help your reader pause, separate ideas, and follow your meaning easily. They have 3 main uses. 1. To separate items in a list. For example, their house has 2 bedrooms, a large living room, 2 bathrooms, and a terrace. Use commas after each item on the list. The final comma before, and called the Oxford comma, is optional. Consistency is what matters. 2. To separate clauses joined by conjunctions. For example, you can ask her, but I don't think she'll agree. I won't be there till 10, so don't wait for me. 3. To add non-essential information. Non-essential means the information can be removed, and the sentence still makes sense. For example, Yakutsk, which is a city in Siberia, has the coldest winters of any city in the world. You'll also see commas after introductory adverbs or linking phrases. Apparently, he's been suffering from depression for several years. The third basic punctuation mark we have is the colon. A colon introduces an explanation, example, or list. Example: rapid urbanization has led to multiple problems: congestion, air pollution, and a shortage of affordable housing. The part before the colon is a complete sentence. The part after expands or illustrates it. Let's look at more examples. I can promise you one thing: you won't regret your decision. He left all of his money to his best friend in the whole world, his cat. Colon signal to the reader that more detail is coming. The fourth and last punctuation mark in this lesson is the semicolon. A semicolon joins 2 closely related complete sentences. It functions like a soft full stop, a pause stronger than a comma, but shorter than a period. Examples: he's so stubborn, it's impossible to convince him to change his ideas even a little. Both sides of the semicolon could stand alone, but the mark shows that the ideas are connected. You can also use semicolons to avoid repetitive conjunctions. Example: companies won't consider rushed applications. It's better to apply to fewer companies and take more time with each one. Or with linking words like however. Example: I don't regret it. However, I would do things differently if I had another chance. Semicolons help your writing flow smoothly, while showing clear relationships between ideas. These are the building blocks of punctuation, the marks that give your writing structure and balance. In our next lesson, we'll explore how punctuation helps us express emotion, ask questions, and show ownership, with apostrophes, question marks, and exclamation marks. Stay tuned.